Hello, hello, hello. How you doing? We're gonna be playing a Super Cut Cafe, a sandwich rush of this demo. There's a bunch of cooking demos out right now. Not demos. There's a cooking sale. I don't really know what it is. And this was one of the games we'll be playing. What's going on? It's a catastrophe. Maka, it's okay. I think we just have more roommates than we are expecting. Seems they're knocking down our ingredients from the attic storage too. That's where we all keep the ingredients. From the attic storage. I know it's not much, but we gotta start somewhere. Hey, why don't we start by cleaning up? We'll have a beautiful cafe in no time. I clean you. 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 Perfecto. Well, what am I missing? That counts as cleaning? Okay, that seemed important, but okay. Wow, I can see everything now. That's better. Look at all the room we have for you to play around. Hey, you're not running out of space to jump and run anytime soon now, are you, Maka? Now, I suppose we need a few things before we can call this a cafe, huh? A customer! Oh, no, it's not a customer. Hey there, Olive. I mean, hey there, Olive. Welcome back to the neighborhood. It's me, Nick. I'll be delivering any old goods and purchases right to your door. Nick? How did you know the cafe was opening today? Rich Ever's fast in our little hometown, and I figured you'd want to open up soon. Let's start with the basics. Your family mentioned your specialty is sandwiches, so how about some ingredients for that? Purchase bread and the fridge from the shop. I love bread. That's infinite bread. Looks like you got a hang of it. You know what to call if you need anything else. Well, thank you so much, Nick. See you soon. Hey, Maka, before we open up, I know you're not all on the payroll, but could you help out? Why don't you sweeten the deal? Why don't I sweeten the deal and I'll put some treats in your bowl? What? There you go. Oh my god, it ate. Adds a 10% chance for a customer to tip after receiving a sandwich. Maka. May I have some tea with some sugar? Yes. Is that another meme that I don't know? How you doing, Joe Card? You have a good one? Meow. Welcome to the team, Maka. Meow. I heard you, little Maka. Meow. Okay, I think we're ready to open for a grand opening. We're just gonna have bread. That's all we have. Nothing else. Let's wait for our first customer at the register. Oh my god. She's so... Oh my god, look at... This is... Her turning is not good at all. Wow, that's rough. She's on ice skates. What the hell, dude? I guess that's kind of realistic, right? Oh... Our unexpected furry roommates are knocking down ingredients from above. Let's use it to our advantage and stack some sandwiches. We can deliver it at the register when we're done. I'm not picky. Then butter. Okay. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh no! He's not picky, but bread has to be last, right? Oh, anything is fine? Oh, okay, wait, okay. I misunderstood this. Hey, who are you, suspicious man? I'm gonna give you butter bread. I like the slap. Hear that slap? Too much ham! Oh, they don't like it when we stack 3 of ingredients in a row. But they don't mind, it's just not in a row. Got it. Anything's fine. What can I get you, babe? You want pastrami? Oh, we don't have that. We're poor. Oh no. I'm doing good. I've been playing since 17. It's now 2:12. Okay, you've been playing for a while. I see. Game is going great, but my eyes don't like it. That was me all day today. My eyes were rough. They're good right now though, so that's cool. Here, you can have just a ham sandwich. Oh no. How about you? How you doing? Oh no, too much bread. No! Unfinished. No, that was totally finished. It would have been nice to know that before. It would have been nice to know before about the stack thing, but you know what? That's how life is. We learn as we go. I'm doing all right. Yeah. Doing all right. Did you have your test yet? How'd your test go, man? Oh, I'm gonna nail this one. Butter. Oh. Dude, perfect. When we add bread on top of 3 or more ingredients, we make a stack. Since they love towering sandwiches, customers will pay extra for stacks. Double stack, triple stack, motherfucking stack. Okay, cool beans, cool beans. People love stacks, dude. Stacks on racks, racks on stacks. Put them together and that's. I like me butter bread, man. Oh shit. Come on. Run! No! Oh no. We're gonna have to drop the sand. Ah! That was a perfectly good sandwich. That was a really good sandwich, man. Oh, I'm so salty. Salty like a sandwich. Salty like a sandwich. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed. Oh, no. No! No, we don't need more butter. Fuck! Yeah, too much bread. Algebra horrible. Ooh, can I get this last one? I did it! No! Calculus went great. My partner saved me. Hell yeah, dude. Algebra went horrible. Neither me nor my partner knew. I would think. I guess it differs later because always in school it was algebra first and then calculus, wasn't it? Anyways, this isn't a fast food restaurant. What are they expecting? Yeah, this is a cat restaurant. I almost forgot our recipe book is around here somewhere. Maybe I left it in my bag. Oh my god, it was in my bag. There it is. This should help us keep track of things. Let's take a peek. Some ingredients are just meant for each other, such as bread and butter. Sandwiches with recipes will be worth more. I wonder how many combos we can create. So many combos. I'd like to buy a hint. It's probably like cheese or bread, right? It's probably just cheese and bread, mate. This is a cute game. Hi, my name is Jackie. It's a pleasure to meet. We're closed. Jackie, we're closed. Get lost. Hi, Jackie. I'm Olive. Can I help you? I don't know. Before I only had math. Fair enough. For me in high school, it was I think it was algebra. It was geometry, algebra, then calculus. I think, or pre-calculus and then calculus. To support local businesses, I gave out some of my coupons from my store to the community to reward places they love. And someone just told me they gave theirs to you, so your wonderful cat cafe. Oh yeah? I was wondering what this coupon was about. Totally turning Australian all of a sudden. Oh well, I have a boutique down the road with everything from decorations to accessorize. If you ever want your cafe to glow up, or maybe just get something for your fluffy kittens, just give me a call. That's amazing. I'll definitely do that. Thank you, Jackie. Decor. Yeah. Okay, cool. We can get some decor. Jackie's like, you called? You called? Yeah, I did call. I'd like more windows. Ooh, dividers. A faucet. Some chairs. What do we need? What do we need? What is this? Lettuce crate. Adds lettuce Tomato. Ooh, I like me a tomato. Bread knife. Increases the value of bread by 100. Bread is insane. I'm rich. Yes. Cats. Can I buy more cats? Ooh, almost. Okay, I figured it out. Oh, a bulletin board. That's cool. That's nifty. I like that. What do we want? Oh, I like that. Wait, what? I can get more? Wait, what? Am I stupid? I am stupid. I am an idiot. I am more than an idiot. But a bit of a moron. Ooh, that's what you meant. I can't remember. It's all good. I can't remember half the shit I do. I don't remember half the names of people. That's just the way it is. All right. Make it a big one. Oh, she likes it big. She likes it fucking big, mate. A BLT sandwich, possibly. I'll probably make it a big one, mate. Ah! Almost got that. Oh, nailed it. Fucking nailed it. What? Too much bread? Bro, that is not too much bread. That is just the right amount of bread, bro. Here's a butter sandwich, you fucking fatty. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Hammy. Hammy. Impossible. Whoa. Ah. Oh. Oh. I have to be honest. I played Tinkerland. Oh shit! I did too much ham. Ah! Motherfucking butter. It is what it is. I have to be honest. I played Tinker Island or something like that, and I wanted to know stuff. I didn't play a lot though, but I found a cool thing. Joke card, all good. All good. I totally saw that on Steam, so it wasn't a surprise to me. But yeah. I'm glad you like it. Hopefully when it comes out, you'll also buy it, and so you can join the island. I feel like that's a pretty fun game to just have like anyone jump in. It's like the fuck. I could jump? Wow, I look like a fucking idiot when I jump. I could bloody jump, mate. Whoa. Oh, a Capri sandwich. Lettuce and tomato. That sounds like us. A Capri sandwich. I don't know why I said it like that. I like a Capri sandwich. What is a daily task? What a daily task all about, mate? A mop. Increase the value of butter. I like it when it butter. Yeah. We butter and do butter. Shit, I'm broke. I'm bloody broke, mate. That's all gone. I got no money. Increases customer patience by 10%. Ah, it's Luna. It's very cute. Oh my. Shut the fuck up. We can give them hats. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god, you're all getting... Oh, okay, I gotta save them for that. You're all getting little frog hats. Oh my god. I found a magic axe. If you buy it, I will definitely... Tinkerlands is one of the games I definitely plan on buying. I also plan on buying that zombie game we were playing before. Those are like... I kind of like... Because sometimes I forget like what I've been playing. So like the way I've kind of like uploaded my videos is kind of in a way so I know what I want to buy. You've probably noticed like if you looked at the channel, but like I add like emojis to it so I know what I like. It's kind of just a reminder. Yeah, the 2D one. Yeah, where I had 2 survivors. Yeah, I'm probably definitely gonna buy that one. I really like that one. It's very much my type of game. Like a little mix of everything. Yeah. Don't catch bad stuff. That's fucking easy, mate. Oh, it's a kitty cat. Wow. Oh my god, it's what's his name? It's that my bread! It's I want to say Justin Bieber, but that would be disrespectful to the beef. I need cheese. That guy is picky. He's wearing a cheese hat. You know he's picky, motherfucker. Taste cheese, asshole. I fucked that up. I don't think I could have fucked that up any less. Oh, I forgot I could jump. I should be jumping, shouldn't I? Probably would help. I gotta stack on stack more, don't I? I'm not stacking. That sandwich looks nasty as fuck. That's all I'm gonna say. They toast! What? I lost money. That was toast, bro. BRB have to win a match. Good. Best of luck with your match, bro. Yes, that is how I am systematically setting up the emojis. I'm gonna make you wear a hat, see? You're gonna wear another frog hat, buddy. Oh, he's doing the cat thing where he's licking his balls. Nice. I respect that the game kept that in. Adds a little realism. Respect, mad respect. Respect. Let's do that. Oh la la, so beautiful. Cause you're so beautiful, no matter what you say. Cause words can't bring me down. Deliver sandwiches with at least 2 stacks. 2 stacks, that's too many stacks. Oh, fuck. Oh, there's 2 stacks. Does that count? I don't know if that counted. Did that not count? That's a stack. Okay, so I need to do another stack. Oh shit. I need my bread. Where's my bread? My bread! Run! Yeah, I double stacked it. Sweet. Okay, 1 stack. 1 stack, 2 stack, 3 stack, 4. So many stacks. Here's another more. Double stack, double stack, yo. Double stack, double stack, yo. Come on, double stack, double. That was not a stack. Shit, fuck. Ass. Oh, I binged it, mate. I binged it up. Oh. Here's a sandwich, mate. Dude, these are some expensive ass sandwiches. Take some bread! I'm just kidding. Yeah, you'd get so mad at me for that. Oh, stacks on stacks, task on task. Everybody likes them hats. Boop, 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 boop. Toosh. Adds a small chance of zoomies. Zoomies? Zoomies. Go on. Pet me if you dare. What are zoomies? Damn it, I don't have no more tickets, mate. Aw, that's adorable. That is adorable. I don't think I've unlocked anything. What is this? Maybe ham to tomatoes. I don't know. It's definitely got to do with ketchup. Oh my god. Oh my god, so many tickets. I got so many tickets, man. That's crazy. Touche, you also get that. You're all wearing frog hats. Unique tastes. Customers will now have ingredient preferences. Sandwiches with liked ingredients will increase how much the customer will pay. Wow. Baranzo. Beanzo. Mercio. Does it just do that? Fuck it, why not? Ooh, those shells look nice. I need to figure out this sandwich. Oh my god, I'm investing. This is investing. How do I get the sandwich? More in full game. I'm just gonna keep playing. Delivered three or more unique ingredients. What's that no thing? She does not like those things. Is that what she said? So she doesn't want ham? Yeah, she doesn't want ham. What's a zoom? I don't know what a zoom is. It's too much. She really likes lettuce. Oh. 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 Zoomies are awesome, dude. It's like drugs. I like it. More zoom. More zoom, more doom. This is the biggest fucking sandwich, mate. Oh, unfinished my ass. Oh, I lost so much money from that. That's bullshit. I accidentally caught a ham, dude. That was not my fault, bro. Oh, fuck. Would you like to continue? I got so many treats. Oh, no more cats. What's this sandwich? Get a triple stack. Got a triple stack. I want to know what the fucking sandwich is. That didn't help me at all. Okay, maybe buying that was dumb. Eggs! Oh my god, I can make eggs! Yeah, I should have bought that. Wicked, bro. Deliver recipes. I don't know how to do that. Oh. She don't want lettuce, mate. Don't get her no lettuce. She don't like it. It's not her cup of tea. Here you go. So much bread. It's bread season. It's so breadable. Breadable. Sounds kind of incredible because it's like a breadable. No! That's gone. Maybe zoomies can be problematic. Oh. Take it, you filthy animal. Waka! Where's my bread? My bread! This is a pretty cute game. That's a pretty cute game. I didn't make enough money for bacon. Oh, I can upgrade them? Oh. That's cool. I don't know how that works. You've been upgraded. Alright. We'll probably stop after I get some bacon. Ooh. I want some bacon, mate. I would also like to unlock that thing, but I don't know what it is. Here's the sandwich. You like bloody this? Okay. Oh, ham and egg would have been good. Come on, guys, no fighting. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? My egg! Oh, I missed it. Oh shit. Oh, I missed the bloody. Oh shit. I need bread. God damn it. A toaster, mate. Bloody hell. Alright. I wonder who will come today. Will they be okay? Where's the bloody cheese? Yep, I knew that was a combo. Oh, fuck, I missed. Can't. Bread! Bread! No! It got too chaotic. The zoomies didn't help. Here's bacon. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. I didn't make much money, did I? I'm but of a broke bastard. How's your cafe doing? Oh, congrats, you won. Hell yeah, dude. Well, you know, it could be better. I want to get that toaster, and then I'll probably call it a recording for this game. There's one more cooking game I got up my sleeve. Kind of want to unlock these though. If I can. Wow, there's so many combinations. Bacon and egg is bacon and egg. Everybody likes bacon and egg. Cat, who are we upgrading? You get an upgrade. You get an upgrade. Decor. We have fully upgraded our decor. It is perfect. Now we just need that cash money. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Oh, this motherfucker don't want no lettuce? Yo, get the fuck out of my restaurant, lady. You're crazy. You're crazy. Don't want no lettuce. What are you doing? You trying to make me look bad in front of the people? Come on. So you're gonna stream 2 demos today? Probably. Maybe a 3rd, but we'll see. You know, I don't really know. Shit. Oh, lost supply lettuce. That's a nice sliced tomato. Here you go, lady. Here's a sandwich. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I bloody missed it, mate. Oh. That was a bloody good sandwich. Bloody bloody step it is. Oh, this is my most epic sandwich! Dude, you got the best sandwich I ever made in my life, bro. So fucking good. Oh my god. We did it. We did it. We did it. Guys, we made a pretty good amount of money. Very nice. Very nice. Everybody's got their cute hats. Finish shopping. By walking up to the toaster and interacting with it, we'll get a bread slice on top of our stack. A bit of time is needed to... Ah, that is useful. That is useful. Okay, so we press F on it. Okay, that's good to know. We'll do this one last time and then call it with this demo. Very, very fun little cute demo. My birthday passed. My birthday's in spring. Yeah, spring. I'm a spring boy. How about you? What seasonal birthday are you? A secret surprise. Let's see. Deliver sandwiches with at least 2 stacks. This is gonna be the best sandwich I ever make. Oh, so good. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh shit, how do I dodge? How do I dodge? I just gotta wait. That was the right call. That was the right call I made. Oh, did they not want ketchup? Did I give them ketchup? I was like half paying attention to what I was doing. I'll buy my bill too, bruv. Buy my bill too, bruv. Buy me a person a bill too, bro. Now that's how you stack, bro. That is how you do with the stacking. The stacking. You put the you stacking up. Stacking up. Oh shit. I think we need zooms. Surprise me. Okay. Here's your sandwich, bro. No, I fucked up. Oh. I know you love ham, dude. Oh, he loved it. He loved it a lot. Oh, that cat attacked me. All right. Wow, that was our best actually. That was genuinely our best. Oh. Perfect. The game knows when I'm done. The game knows when I'm done. Thank you for playing the demo. Purchase the full game and continue right from where you left off. The full version will give you access to more cats, cat cosmetics, upgrades, and decorations. Thank you so much for playing the demo. That was fun. I think this is out right now. So if you like that, if you like these types of games, very cute, very fun. The game was paid actor. That was Super Cat Cafe Sandwich Rush. Yeah, that was a really cute game. Not my type of game, but I did like it. I thoroughly did enjoy it. I thought I think it's very well fleshed out. And yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. If you watched, if you didn't, hey, no worries. And yeah, have a good one.